repair set. So clean it good. The glue of the tape is sticking after that. So here you can see there's a small cut and it is open and then it's going on. I try to fix all the part that it's not breaking after then when it comes pressure, because it's really close to the front bladder where you have the most pressure, I think, or where you have good pressure. So clean all that stuff, leave it dry for some minutes that the alcohol can get out. So then I have this fiber fix. It's in the repair set. This is something like how can we call it? To find the beginning. Here's the beginning. Something like this. I'll show you like this. This you just put on top and fix all that stuff. And once it's fixed, you have this glue fix. And this you put on top. And once it's dry, maybe you can make it 2 times. And I did this with the front tube. The bladder was broken, the front tube has a cut. And there's a lot of pressure in that part, and it sticks now for more than 2 years. So I think this should be fine if I fix this once here, and then we will see. So be sure that this is really in the right position, because if it's not, you will have a different shape after then. So I cut these corners away here. So and there as well. So and then I think I first cut it at the right length. Be sure that you have 1 centimeter on every side, more than you need. So cut it here. It's quite easy to cut. So, and then I would start here, because here it's in the right position for sure. The sun's coming out, helping me, or not helping me, because it's too much light. As you can see, it's not that easy. I have this plastic bag underneath that the glue doesn't stick at the table. I think I have to remove it to get a straight surface underneath. Heart here, there. So put it on the whole cut, because it's in a good position now. Then I just fix it here. This stuff has a little bit of glue and it sticks here, as you can see. So then we need another one here. Let me cut this off there. Then there's this tiny small hole. There's just, I put a little patch on it. Like this. So. And then here's another cut. This is a bit complicated because it's so close at the front tube. I have to be really careful to get it in a straight way before I can fix it. So I'm going to go a bit further than I need to. The foil slips over the canopy and cuts it a bit in, so I want to be sure. So the next step is to get the glue on. I built this small thing for that, so now I try to put this on here, like this, and then you can just get this in here, like that. I put a plastic bag underneath the cut so that I don't fix it at the table. If it is fixed then on the plastic bag, I can pull this off, I hope, in the end. So, there's corn in here. There's some glue missing. Like this. This outside there. Okay. I think I have everything, just there's something missing. Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna leave it dry. I need to look if I can pull the plastic back underneath to get the next points here. Maybe I wait a bit. And just fix that one here and the outside one I'll make later. And the rest is dry because I don't want to move that too much now. Just make that part here. This little one. And the third one I make later once the other side is dry. Okay, that's it for the beginning. Next part later. This is a bit tricky here because underneath I got this little part of the bladder, so I have to take care about. You see. I think it's okay. So the opposite side I fixed with that stuff. Now I turn the wing around, and on the other side I just put some tape on, so that it's tough fixed, that it can't open, but you have some, you can see it maybe. Here's some stuff, and if you don't fix it from both sides, for sure it will open. But this is just for covering some loose stuff. So I cut some tape. And what is important, these things are coming off first, so just cut them a bit round so it stays on the wing like this. So then I cleaned it with this alcohol tissue used before. Waited till it is dry. Now I put on, when I get it off here, I just put the tape on. So let me try to get this stuff off from the cover. Yep, there it is. That sticks like hell. That's what we wanted. It's sticking really good. Didn't expect it. It sticks so much. Most important are the outlines. They're really on the material. Okay, and so we go on fixing this all. Off all that tiny stuff here, because these are the things later. How to get this paper off here? Because it's really thin. And just take a part off because I'm a bit afraid that I get some wrinkled stuff. So sounds a bit strange, but I think it's because it sticks on the table on the other side. So another part here. This off there. Corners like this. Like that. Okay. Here we go.